Hello.
Vodafone number you have called is
Hello.
switched off. If you are a Vodafone customer,
Mana
you
keren?
can now leave a voice SMS by dialing
Oh.
star followed by the mobile
What?
number.
You speak English?
Charges only 75 paise per minute.
Ah,
Vodafone number you have called is currently
you don't know I
switched
know
off.
to
If you are a
kren Phareng.
Vodafone customer, you can now leave a voice SMS by dialing star followed by the mobile number.
Ah, damn.
Charges
No.
only
Me put the phone.
75 paise.